what I'm going to show you, the most important thing that you need is a torch. Now this is a blazer torch. You can get this for $45. It ignites itself, so it comes on its own. You don't need matches, and you don't need a striker. You just basically turn it forward. Okay, let's see. I don't want to force it. There you go. Turn it forward, and then you press back here, and there you go. See, and you can control the flame from here. Well, we'll talk about that when we talk about elaborate more on torches. But you can right here, and to turn it off, take it back. So this is really, really good. It's portable, which I like when I'm traveling and doing workshops. And also, the thing that it doesn't have is a safety latch. So you have to, if you have children, be very, very careful where you place this. Be very careful when you have children, because little ones are fast. Before you know it, just like you turned it on, they can turn it on. So make sure if you're using this to put it away in a safe spot so nobody gets hurt. Over is how to fill your torch. So I have the blazer and I have the fuel. Now this is a butane torch. So I have butane fluid. So this is pretty clean air. I bought the one that's really clean. The clean air, not so much zero impurities, so it stays. So what you do is that if you notice with your butane torch, always make sure and double check that it's off. Okay, it's off. I pulled it back, it's off. So if you see at the bottom here, there is a hole right there. So what I'm going to do is take the fuel. Now make sure you're in a ventilated area. Definitely have to make sure you're in a ventilated area. So I'm in a ventilated area. My windows are open. The fan is oscillating, and pretty much the air is coming through. So I'm going to take my torch, turn it upside down. It's definitely off. And I'm going to take this, the refiller, and I'm going to put it through the hole. Okay, now how did I know that it was full? It started to spud. I started to feel the air had no more room. The gas had no more room to go in, and it started coming back up. So that's how you basically know is when the gases start spudding, coming back up. So once you know that it's coming back up, stop. Usually they tell you to count to 10. I don't count to 10. I go for the spud. So I'm going to let it sit here for like 3 minutes to let the gas kind of like, get in. And always make sure you cover your canister when you're done with it.